Tips for making the most of your El Camino de Santiago experience. How you can make it your way. Making it your way can mean different things to different people. Making it your way involves taking ownership of your own life and pursuing the things that matter most to you first. With dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to take risks, you can create a fulfilling and meaningful life that reflects your own unique vision and values. Here are some general tips that might help you make your own way in life. Define your own goals and values. Take some time to reflect on what's most important to you in life. This might include things like your career, relationships, health, spirituality, or personal growth. Once you have a clear sense of your values and priorities, you can start setting goals that align with them. Take ownership of your decisions. Instead of relying on others to make decisions for you, take ownership of your own choices. This might mean doing research, seeking out advice, and weighing the pros and cons of different options before making a decision. Embrace your unique qualities. Recognize that you have your own unique strengths, talents, and perspectives. Embrace these qualities and find ways to leverage them in your life. As you learn new skills, accept your limitations and develop strategies to work within them. Be realistic about what you can do, and how many miles you can do per day. Try to always be learning how to get better at what you are doing while staying true to who you are. Think long-term. It will help you achieve realistic goals and maintain focus. Be willing to take risks. Making your own way often involves taking risks and stepping outside of your comfort zone. Be willing to try new things and take on challenges, even if they feel scary or uncertain. Learn from your failures. No one succeeds at everything they try. When you experience failure or setbacks, try to learn from them and use them as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Build a supportive network. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage your goals and values. Seek out mentors, coaches, and friends who can help you stay motivated and accountable. What are the worst mistakes people make in El Camino de Santiago? While the Camino de Santiago is a journey of self-discovery, there are a few common mistakes that people make that can detract from the experience from making it your way. Some of the worst mistakes include overpacking. Many people overpack for the Camino, which can make the journey more difficult than it needs to be. You will be carrying your pack with you every day, so it's important to pack light and only bring essentials. Not training. The Camino is a physically demanding journey, and it's important to train beforehand to avoid injury and fatigue. Walking with a weighted pack, hiking, and strength training can all help prepare you for the journey. Ignoring foot care. Foot care is essential on the Camino. Make sure to wear comfortable, broken-in shoes, bring moleskin or blister bandages, and take breaks to rest your feet. Not respecting the culture. The Camino passes through many small towns and villages, and it's important to respect the local culture and customs. This includes dressing modestly, not making excessive noise, and being respectful of local traditions and beliefs. Rushing the journey. Some people try to rush through the Camino, completing it in the shortest amount of time possible. This can lead to missing out on the experience and not taking time to appreciate the journey. The Camino is a personal journey, and everyone's experience will be different. However, avoiding these common mistakes can help make the journey your own and more enjoyable and fulfilling. Are there small-paying jobs on El Camino? Yes, there are opportunities for small-paying jobs or volunteer work on the Camino de Santiago, although they may not be abundant. Some examples of paying jobs or volunteer work that pilgrims can do along the Camino include working at an albergue, hostel. Many albergues are run by volunteers, and they may offer free accommodation and meals in exchange for help with cooking, cleaning, and other tasks. Working at a restaurant or cafe. Some restaurants and cafes may offer part-time or seasonal jobs for pilgrims who are looking to earn some extra money. Selling goods or services. Some pilgrims sell crafts, jewelry, or other goods along the Camino. Others may offer services such as massage, yoga, or Reiki. Farm work. Some farms along the Camino offer temporary work for pilgrims during the harvest season. it's important to keep in mind that paying jobs and volunteer opportunities may not be readily available or easy to find, and they should not be the primary focus of your Camino experience. Additionally, it's important to obtain the proper permits and documentation for working in Spain, if applicable. How about having a cheese journey? Are there cheeses in El Camino? Yes, there are many types of cheese that you can try along the Camino de Santiago. Each region along the Camino has its own traditional cheeses, often made with local milk and using techniques that have been passed down through generations. Here are some examples of cheeses you might find along the Camino. Queso de tortilla. This is a soft, creamy cheese from Galicia that is made with cow's milk. It has a mild flavor and is often served as a dessert cheese. Queso de cabrales. This cheese is made from raw cow's milk and is aged for at least a year. It has a slightly sharp flavor with a nutty aftertaste. Queso de cabrales. This is a blue cheese from Asturias that is made with cow, sheep, and/or goat milk. It has a strong flavor and is often crumbled over salads or served with bread. Idiazabal. This is a semi-hard cheese from the Basque Country that is made with sheep's milk. It has a nutty flavor and is often grated over dishes or served on a cheese plate. Roncal. This is a hard cheese from Navarra that is made with sheep's milk. It has a sharp flavor and is often used in cooking or served as a snack. Mayan Menorca. This is a cheese from the Balearic Islands that is made with cow's milk. It has a tangy flavor and is often served as a snack or grated over dishes. Manchego. This is a cheese from Castilla-La Mancha that is made with sheep's milk. It has a nutty flavor and is often used in cooking or served on a cheese plate. These are just a few examples of the cheeses you can try along the Camino de Santiago. Be sure to ask locals and fellow pilgrims for recommendations, as there are many regional specialties that you won't want to miss. What is the cheapest nutritious food? There are many nutritious foods that can be budget-friendly, depending on where you are and what's available. Here are some examples of cheap and nutritious foods. Beans and lentils. These are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and other nutrients. They are also very affordable and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and wraps. Oats. Oats are a great source of fiber and can be used to make porridge, oatmeal cookies, granola, and more. They are often very affordable and can be purchased in bulk. Eggs are a good source of protein and other nutrients. They are also relatively inexpensive, can be used in a variety of dishes, from omelets to frittatas to egg salad sandwiches. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are also relatively inexpensive and can be used in a variety of dishes, from roasted sweet potatoes to sweet potato fries to sweet potato pie. Canned tuna. It is also relatively inexpensive and can be used in a variety of dishes, from tuna salad to tuna casserole to tuna sandwiches. Canned tuna is a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. These are just a few examples of cheap and nutritious foods. Be sure to look for deals and shop in bulk to save money on groceries, and consider cooking at home instead of eating out at El Camino de Santiago to save even more money and time.